What is virtual classroom? A virtual classroom is an online learning environment that allows teachers and students to communicate, interact, collaborate, as well as explain ideas. There are many different teaching that can be conducted through virtual classroom. For example, video conferencing, audio conferencing, real-time text chat, interactive online whiteboard, library of learning material, as well as teachers' tools and controls. So, why do we need to use virtual classroom? In many ways, an online classroom simply mirrors the physical classroom. In a virtual classroom, a student can see and hear the teacher via the video or audio stream, just like physical classes. The online whiteboard allows teachers to explain ideas visually and walk through exercises collaboratively. As we cannot carry out physical classes during this COVID-19 pandemic, virtual classroom is the best solution to keep students on the right track in their studies. So, what are the virtual classrooms available now? There are many virtual classrooms available on the internet, and we have chose few of them that are commonly used by lecturers. First one, Schoology, second one, Gradescope, and third one, Google Classroom. These virtual classrooms provide different features that help lecturers or teachers to approach teaching in a more efficient way, where we are going to explain in the rest of the video.
Hi everyone, today I will talk about Gradescope. Gradescope is a suite of tools designed to accommodate a common grading workflow. It allows you to scan and upload your homework or exams. The instructor can create a living rubric that allows for speedy grading of large courses. It also can create valuable statistics about student work and provide students to request of questions. If you don't have Gradescope account, you can go to Gradescope homepage, click Sign Up button, select Student, and fill it completely. For the assignment need to handwritten, you need to scan the answer and save as PDF before you submit. There are two recommended apps for iOS and Android device. After install, open the app, then find the best position between your phone and homework. Click Shuffle button, repeat it until finish all your one scan. After that, you can save in one PDF file. On your dashboard, select the course, then you can see the list of assignments that contain the status, release date, and due date. There is some different formats to submit your assignment. First, submitting a PDF. After you create your assignment, you can see this. Then, click Submit PDF, select your file and upload. After upload, you need to assign question and page. After that, don't forget click Submit button. Second, submitting individual image. If you click Submitting image, you can see like this. You need to select image one by one to all the questions in the assignment. After that, also don't forget to click Submit button. Third, submitting online assignment. When instructor is given online assignment, after you click, you can see release date, due date, and maximum time permit. After start assignment, you can see time remaining to give you answer the question. The answer will be auto-saved as complete them. You will not have a button to submit. Last, submitting code. When the assignment is programming assignment, after click the assignment, you can see two types of submission method. Choose the method you want, then upload your coding. Wait a few minutes, you can see auto grade result. If already submit the assignment, you will be able to view your submission. You also can resubmit before submission deadline. After instructor grade your assignment, you can view the rubric item for the question and any comment from your instructor. If you want to request grade, click the question that wish to request. Then click the Request button. A text box will appear. Type an explanation of the request. After that, you also can edit your request. Then you can view all the pending and completely requests for a course.
What is Schoology? For students, it is a social networking service and virtual learning environment for K-12 school and higher education institutions that allows users to create, manage, and share academic contents. For teachers, it allows teachers to manage class remotely through posting daily reminders or updates, directly messaging students, and managing scheduled assignments. So what is the benefits of using Schoology? First, the security is in place for student safety. And Schoology also provides efficient tools and resources for teachers to optimize the instructions. It also provides a multitude of applications to enhance learning for the different types of learners. The important thing is the ability to provide feedback on assignments. And it is easy of sharing and accessing materials. Next, how to sign up an account in Schoology. For the first step, you need to go to www.schoology.com and then you need to click sign up at the top of the page and choose students. So after choose the student button, you need to enter your access code. This is a 10-digit code that you receive from one of your instructors. After enter your access code, you need to fill out the form with your information. The last step is click register to complete. How to manage resource in Schoology? Look at this picture, you can see the button of edit, add to course, copy to, move to, and delete. For the button of edit, this option enables you to change the title of your resource as well as to add notes that will only appear in your resources. For the second one is add to course. Add the item to any course that you administer. For the third one is copy to. This option enables you to copy and paste the resource into another locations in your resources. For the button of move to, this option enables you to paste and paste the resource into another locations in your resources. For the delete button, this option enables you to delete the resource from new resources. This action cannot be undone. So how to modify the personal profile and account in Schoology? For the first questions is how to change your profile pictures. So for the first step, you need to hover over the profile pictures and click edit pictures. If you already have a photo in place, click remove pictures to remove your current picture from view. Next, you need to click attach file. Choose a JPEG, PNG, or GIF file for your device. There is a 5 MB limit per photo file. If you would like to use an avatar instead, choose an avatar below. For the second question is how to change account password. So select the allow in the top right of the page next to your name. Next, you need to click account setting in the down drop. For the third step, you need to click the change your password link underneath the account password, and then you need to type in your current password. After you type in your current password, you need to type in your new password and confirm it. The new password must be different from the current one. For the last step is to click the submit to complete. So how to create group in Schoology? For the first step, you need to click group at the top of the Schoology, and then select my group, and then you click create group on the right, and you fill out the group forms. In the group form, you need to write a description and set up privacy to customize who can view the group, and you also can set access to customize who can join the group. For the last step is to click create to finish. For this picture is how to join a group in Schoology. So how to use Google Drive with Schoology platform. For the first step, you need to create resource at the top of your home page and then select apps on the left. For the third step, you need to click Install Apps under My Resources Apps. And then you need to select Google Drive in the pop-up menu. And then you need to click Install to add the apps to your Resources apps. For the last step, you need to click Connect to connect the apps to your Google account.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Karil Haikal bin Kasman and I will present about Google Classroom. What is Google Classroom? Google Classroom is a platform that teachers can use to create, share and mark students' homework, and also a platform for students to access and complete their assignments or homework. Google Classroom is one of the Google software such as Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Meet and more. So why Google Classroom is important nowadays? As we know, COVID-19 pandemic has become a worldwide issue right now. Due to that pandemic, all physical classes at school, colleges, and universities are replaced with online learning. So Google Classroom is one of the platforms that have been used for all teachers and students to go through with online learning. Google Classroom also one of the most efficient and easiest platform that can be used for online learning. So how to sign in? First, if you don't have any account, you have to sign in, put your email or your phone, put your password. If you already have an account, you can choose your account over here. Then, this one will appear as a notice for you that you have been entered to Google Classroom. Click continue and this will appear. You have to pick your role. If you're a student, then choose I'm a student. And if you're a teacher, then choose I'm a teacher. This is the supporting device for Google Classroom. Mozilla Firefox, Google, Safari, Android devices, iOS devices, as long as they are in the latest software update. So this is the features of Google Classroom. First is assignment. Teachers can create assignments using learning material. And also, the assignments can be given immediately or schedule it for a particular day. So as we can see here, teachers can create the assignment. This is the detail about the assignment, title and introduction. And for students, they can access the assignments at here, classwork. Next features is virtual discussion. Teachers can invite students to answer question-driven discussions and respond to classmates. So teachers can make a virtual discussion using Google Classroom, and students can discuss their thought at that platform, as you can see over here. Next features is grading system. Teachers can choose grading system and create grade categories. So as we can see here, teachers can make a grading system, the details of the grading system, and if you can see here, you can see the grade of particular student. Final features is the announcement. Teachers can give updates to students through to announcement. Announcement are posted with no assignment. It is just a form of notices for students about deadline, tests, or any classwork. So this is important as a reminder for students that do that deadline about the assignments and important notices. So that's all from Google Classroom. Thank you.